Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to quote a message in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to quote a message in Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack application, just simply open the channel where you wish to send quote messages. Now, after opening the messages, just simply tap into this chat section and then put a symbol of greater than. Then type space and write your message which you want to quote. Then after that, send this message into Slack channel. Then your chat will be quoted successfully into the Slack. By following this very easy steps, you can also quote a message into Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.